Hey man, why you keep that tactical Shimag in your pack like that, right? Well, because if you're dumb enough to come out and do some hiking and stuff where it's real nasty, at least you can kind of breathe, right? Woo, baby. This is fun times through here. Figure I'd run through these fields a little bit. Oh man, my bare hand out here. I gotta put a glove on or something for a minute, but getting out in that weather, making it so my lungs don't freeze right up on me. Whew, that's cold. So I'll be back in the field solo hike. Oh man, is that wind whipping. I don't know if you guys can see that on there. Stuff is like blowing right across this little field. Ooh, that's sick, right? Out and about. The new boots on, those Thorough Goods. Feet completely warm. I did not put wool socks on. I want to test these things out. I just got one pair of socks on, but whew, it's cold. But the feet are warm. If you did get stuck in some nasty stuff like this, you're gonna be looking for something to. Oh, crap, this is nasty. You gotta look for a hill or a. Ooh, baby. These breezes are nasty. You're gonna want something to try to break that wind. Some of these drifts over here, halfway up these damn boots. You're definitely gonna wanna hide behind something to get you some shelter. I'm not going too far today, especially alone. I'm down to these woods now. I'll be cutting through, but you might need a place to definitely get something blocking you from the wind. You know, right now I got my back turned to it, but I don't know if you can see, this stuff is just blasting across. Oh, damn. Yeah. That's awesome, right? Being out by yourself, though, you do gotta be careful. I let everybody know I was going. Told them if I'm not back in a couple of hours, you know, I'm gonna come pick up my dead body or whatever. But, you know, if I had to, and I got the pack on, I got this one on. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it's just like that little mini bug out bag. I didn't really change too much in it. I don't really have crazy winter stuff in it right now. If I got enough stuff, I could probably make something if I really had to. These drifts are just crazy. I'm going from like 1 inch of snow to like 8 inches maybe. I see a lot of deer down here. This one part, but it gets thick through here, so I might. Oh my God, this shit gets deep too. Oh my God, that's almost up to the top of my booth. Here goes that wind again. It's gusty. You can see it starts getting thick over here. Holy crap! I wonder how much you can see that on video. You can see that it's just blasting through here. Sick, right? I'm either stupid or having too much fun. I don't even know how far I can get in here. This is literally like, I'll be able to show that up to my feet deep in some of these spots. But you're gonna want to get behind something. Give yourself some sort of a break, a wind break. I mean, it's gonna reduce the temperature. It's like 5 degrees out here. And if you had the wind chill, I think they said was 10 to 20 between the gusts. Holy shit, that's definitely cool. Yeah, so at least you wouldn't have that wind blasting you the whole time like it is me right now. So you try to find a spot where you could get to that is gonna help break the wind. Ooh, I'm glad I got that Shimag in there. I was like, which pack is that in? I'm gonna need that. But yeah, this is pretty thick back here. Some spots are thin, some spots are real thick if you get a good enough tree. Now the big thing with the trees too, if you look, some of these trees are kind of big, right? Some of them not too big. If you were gonna put up a shelter or something right here, just to hold you down for a minute, you're gonna wanna make sure that you don't have nothing dead, especially with this wind blowing like this. You definitely don't want to get stuck having a tree fall on top of you. So you wanna make sure that stuff's not too, it's not too much on you. You know, it doesn't fall on you or something. I'm starting to, either way. This walking back thing is going to be fun too once I get back in here. Yeah, so we'll talk again in a few. Let's go. Here's that example. This thing's creaking pretty bad when I came through here. The other tree fell, I don't know when, but you can hear this guy? It falls out like it does when I'm standing here, but I came through this other side over here. It's just gnarly. My face is starting to go pretty stinking numb, so I don't know what to think. Yeah, look at even this branch that's above my head. This thing could fall at any time. I'm stupid for standing here, but just show you another quick example of what not to put your little shelter around. There's a lot of little things, man. You gotta make sure, be careful. What really stinks about this place is I'm back a ways now, is I can't have a fire over here. So otherwise I give that a shot this evening. I may end up doing a fire or something over towards the house though. Oh man, it's cold. Pretty sweet though. All right, so it doesn't take too long. I started feeling it. I hid behind, it was blowing so hard. I hid behind some stuff over there just to get out of the wind for a minute. Man, they said 60-mile-per-hour gusts. I don't know what it was. I was freezing, hiding behind stuff. Got a lot of big broken trees over this way. Yeah, sinuses a little bit. This type of weather, man, you could be messed up pretty quick. It don't take an hour, and you are. I mean, even hiking along, I'm not moving very fast right now, but even hiking along, you can get cold quick, man. I came from down that way. It's not that far. Just trying to protect the lungs and stuff. Oh, my hands are destroyed. I think that's the next thing I need is I couldn't find my little like under gloves to go underneath these like winter style cold glove, thicker gloves or whatever. I'm gonna need something. Here comes that wind. Not the wind again. Stuff comes through in waves hard. It's just whoosh. Oh man. Some of them trees don't look too safe. I should be far enough away. If you hear it crack, I start running. I'll probably throw the phone. But yeah, this was my short in the city up at a park hike, testing out the boots. Should have tied that shemagh on different. I should have put that just straight around like a old school bandit mask or something like that. Probably would have did me a little bit better. I kind of wrapped my head. I didn't even grab one of my regular hats. Oh man, looking into that wind. It's not even whipping again right now, and I'm like, ugh. I'm pretty numb right now. Feet though, feet. I tell you what. Ooh, that wind. Feet are still pretty good. I feel like I'm just walking around in my Merrells, and it's a nice sunny day, which it's not at all. This is kind of a miserable hike. To tell you the truth, I had to get out and do something. Oh man, it's blistery. again. Maybe you can see it blowing across here. Get cold pretty bad. My hands are really numb. Everything exposed. That's another thing. You want to keep everything wrapped up way better than I did. Oh, damn. I'm going to turn around and talk for another minute or something, but good practice. Oh, I can't turn into that wind. Good practice, though. Winter stuff. A little bit of conditioning. Tried out these big, huge boots. They work great. Got a small pack on just in case. Has a couple of things that may help me or whatever, but it was like some frozen tundra thing, man. This was crazy. It's crazy doing it by myself too, because you gotta be careful. But thanks for watching. I might add a little bit more on the end of this when I feel my fingers. Headed back. Frosting over my eyebrows. Videos for the Always Survive channel. Merry Christmas, everybody.